Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. If this is your first time joining my channel, thank you so much for being here, and please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you like the video. And to my day ones, my regular hey guys, welcome back. So this is the big chop updated video, so you gonna see what I'm gonna do with this hair, guys, right? So these are the products that I bought from ShopRite, guys. I am visiting my mom in Jozini, so I literally just bought the cheapest products that I could find, right? So this is the only mirror that's in the house. Like, I don't know how my mom does it. It's not so, but it's the only thing that I have, and I will be using it to see what I'm doing. And moving right along, guys, this is Vaseline. What we are going to do with the Vaseline is we are going to use it to base our edges and the back of our head. This is so to protect your edges and your scalp from burning, guys. You don't want any burns, so make sure that before you actually go on with the relaxer, you base your edges and your scalp. So for a relaxer, I decided to buy the Dark and Lovely relaxer, just a regular. You can use any relaxer that you like or you prefer, really not a problem. So this is me trying to open the relaxer. My hands were very slippery from the Vaseline I was using, and it was a struggle. So I ended up asking my mom to help me open the relaxer, and voila, she just did it in one try. Anyway, guys, so we go on and relax our hair. I think everyone knows how to relax their own hair. I'm not sure. If you want a video on that, you can ask me, drop it down on the comments below, and I will definitely make a detailed video on how to relax your hair. But it's really not that hard. You just put the relaxer on your hair. Once you're done putting the relaxer on your hair, make sure to stretch your hair. Comb. Bugani gegen tombazani flopper. Ugh, this got me so mad. Anyway, we move, guys. So I waited for about 15 minutes for the relaxer to do its thing on my head. Went to shampoo my head, and then I used this conditioner from Revlon. I didn't even know Revlon has hair products. I only knew about the makeup products, but anyway, I told you guys I took the cheapest products that I could find. So condition your hair and remove that relaxer. Make your hair soft, leave it in for like 3 minutes, and then rinse it off. And then this is how my hair looks after being relaxed. It's like what's this? It's like somebody poured water on a cat. Right now I am caught in between doing curls and finger waves. I'm really not sure. I'm not sure. But I think I'm gonna do finger waves. I'm gonna try to say how much I love you. So yeah, I ended up going on YouTube. I was watching some YouTube videos last night and I really liked Gabriella's video, so that is what I watched, and I followed her steps on how to achieve the hairstyle that I'm going to do. If you would also like to achieve the same look, or you also want to watch the video, I will put the link on the description box so you can also go and do your thing. To lay your hair down, use gel of your choice. I like the Eco Style gel, guys. It smells really good and it doesn't have any flaking. No flaking. The white things, aziko, brah, aziko. So anyway, guys, yeah, moved on to the hairstyle, and it's a lot of trial and error. This is my first time doing this style. I'm trying the wave thing, but it wasn't working. That method wasn't working. So it's really a lot of trial and error, so you'll see me just keep on trying and trying and trying. Now uzame lapho until you get the style that you like. You want to get the style easier, you want to move the comb around with your hair. You need a lot of gel, guys. You need a lot of gel, so don't be shy, be generous with that gel. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you yahlangana babizo, yahlangana. At this point, my heart was giddy. I was super excited that okay, something is happening here. I'm not a professional, you guys, so of course it won't be perfect. Remember, this is my first time trying out these waves, so with practice everything gets better. I will definitely improve, so don't judge me. So we move on to the left side and we basically do the same thing, you guys. Remember, I said I couldn't choose between doing curls and the waves. So I actually ended up doing both. This hair is actually longer than I expected. I really did not expect my hair to be this long. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna go for a haircut again and make it shorter because it's so hard achieving this hairstyle with long hair. Or maybe I just need to practice more. I'll see. I don't know. Here comes the good part. Okay, so now I want to make the curls at the middle and at the back, so I'm using the curl moisture gel from Easy Waves to get that look. And all I do is just run the gel through my hair and just, you know, fiddle with it, try to curl it, but the gel is going to do most of the work, but just run through your hair with it. Also, you see what I'm talking about when I say my hair is long. My hair is long. I'm not getting that nice curls that I want. So I honestly think I'm gonna go shorter, but I like it anyway, period. So once you're done running the gel through your hair, then you move on and spray ilo. What is it called? The spray to boost your curls. Yeah, and this is the finished look, you guys. Oh my gosh, I was really feeling myself, super excited of how it turned out. I mean, not bad for my first try. So you go ahead and try it yourself as well. And that is the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe.